Go.
Good day, everyone. I will discussing about what is a Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a search engine for the scholar literature and major, an academic publisher and university thesis that lets you find articles or citation of the topic of your choice. So Google Scholar is a search engine designed to help user find a scholar. So next is a ultimate guide for searching article. So the ultimate guide for the searching articles is a comprehensive resource designed to the enhance your research skills and improve the efficient to finding scholar articles. Next. Next is one copy article citation in the style of your choice. So with with a simple click of the site button which are below you an article in try Google Scholar will give you ready to use citation for the article in the five styles include APA, Mila, and Chicago. You can select and copy the one you repair. So the Google Scholar is the bottom benefits article in try with single click. User can access ready to use citation in the various format include APA, Mila, and Chicago style. So next is a deeper with related searches. So Google Scholar is a related searches and help you pinpoint your research. They them show up on your feeds between articles, results, and described in this. And you start with a big topic like cancer and follow up the related search like. So Google Scholar is when you search for a broad term, the cancer related searches appear between article result, guiding you to narrow topics like lung cancer of colon cancer. This functionality allow researchers to dive deeper into specific area interest. Next. Next is undone miss the related articles. So this another great way to find more papers similar to one you found helpful. You can find this link right below and try. So the service that thou is explore additional scholarly papers that share them to our topics with article you found useful located just below the main entry, like the link directs you to uh, your related selection of related shirts and enhance your understanding and perspective. Next. Next, ready the papers you find. So, uh, emphasize the accessibility of the scholar articles, which traditionally required to subscription to statement access. Platforms like Scholar collaborate with libraries and publishers and integrate subscription service directly into search result. And when you find an article interest, next. Next is access Google Scholar tools from the anywhere or web with a Scholar bottom of browser of extension. The Scholar button is Education provides access Google Scholar tools from any with PIBS acting and portable version of Scholar, and it allow user to quickly find relevant studies related to their current search topic by checking the intention icon while reading the study in the same bottom. It can be used locate different version of paper and generate citation of the article use scholar. Leverage this function to enhance research efficient and organization, making scholar resource for the accessible. Next. Next is learn more about authors through scholar profiles. So dapat highlights the importance of understanding the researchers behind academic work, and by clicking of the author hyperlink and name of searches result, you can access their profile, which the showcase their complete body of work. Uh, Authors are articles where they unseated the failures allow you to explore the research and contribution deep. Additionally, you can follow authors who receive email update of their publication of citation, keeping you informed about the in going to academic. Next. Next is easily find the topic experts. So one one last time about the author profile, like there's topics listed below an author's name of their profile. You can click on the area of expertise and you see page of more authors who are searching and publishing of the topics. So ang ang silly topic is enhance your ability to discover researches of especially the specific fields. When you view an author's profile, you may notice topics listed benefit the name by clicking of this area. So of of expertise, you can access dedicated page of showcasing additional authors who are the searching publishing this subject. This functionality helps you connected with broader network expert. Next. Next is search for the court opinion with the case law button. So ang button is which serve as largest free database of court of opinion. By selecting by case law button benefit the search box, user can find legal case relevant their keywords, and the function will allow you to access full court opinion, the summarize providing insight into legal precedent to rulings if the initial prologue to legal searching, and explore the judicial interpretation of the application of the law. Next. So next is see how those court opinion have been cited. So allow user access the influence is specific cause law by selecting that how opinion beneath and try to the picture relevance how the where particular court opinion has been referenced in the legal documents at the rulings for the instant examining the how page for the landmark case, the like addiction of sa significant of the established of judicial review. Next. Next is sign up for the Google Scholar Alert. So want to stay date of the specific topic. and create alert